Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to explain automatic street light application by using LDR. We all know that street light should automatically turn on during nighttime and turn off during the daytime. Instead of doing this manually, we can make it automatic by using a light dependent resistor, and it is also called as a LDR. Going to the working principle of the LDR sensor. In this LDR changes its resistance depend on the light. In bright light, resistance is very low. In darkness, resistance becomes very high. Arduino will read these changes using the analog pin. If it is dark, Arduino will switch on the street light. If it is bright, Arduino will switch off the street light. LDR sensors are used in automatic street light in cities and villages and garden lights and smart home lighting systems. Let us go for the project. The hardware requirements are Arduino Uno, LED, LDR sensor, breadboard, and jumper wires. Let us go for the connections. LED positive. Positive means large end and negative. Red one is the positive. If positive wire is connected to the ninth pin of the Arduino Uno, and ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno. Next component is LDR sensor. LDR sensor means light dependent resistor. It consists of the three pins D0, ground and VCC. We make the connections from the LDR to the Arduino Uno. LDR blue wire is the VCC, and green one is the ground, and yellow one is the D0. VCC is connected to the blue wire, connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno, and green one is the ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno, and yellow is represented by the analog of the Arduino. After connections are completed, we write the code in Arduino IDE. So we indicate the LDR pin. LDR pin is represented by the A0, and LED pin is connected to the ninth one, and LDR value is represented initially go for the 0. And after writing of the code in the Arduino IDE, then verify the verify button, and after verification is completed, directly go for the upload. After uploading is completed through the Arduino Uno, let us go for the verification of the output. Let us see the output. In this LDR sensor, in the night time, if LED is in on condition, in the daytime if LED is in off condition. Check it once. Night time LED is in on, daytime LED is in off condition. This LDR sensor, the surrounding of the light levels during the daytime, the resistance is low and the voltage on the A0 is also high. So at the night time the resistance is high, the voltage is low. The Arduino reads this value, turn on the LEDs when it is in the darkness. So this is the automatic street light application of the LDR. In the night time, darkness is entering, automatically turn on LED. In the daytime, automatically turn off. Turn on in the darkness, turn off in the daytime. This is the automatic street light application of the project. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.